Alright guys, we got the rental car. Obviously, as you can see, is another 2019 Toyota Camry SE. Loving life right now, minus the fact that I have to get my phone fixed because I guess all iPhone 7s are doing this. I'm literally getting no service no matter what, and it's saying I can't connect any calls or anything until I get this update done. So I'm out here, New Haven, got the Apple store right there, and it's currently 10:48 right now. And I was supposed to already be on the road headed down south, but you gotta love obstacles, guys. Little update for you. My iPhone was screwed completely because the update, I like ignored some update, and I guess it's like a huge issue with the iPhone 7. So they gave me a loaner iPhone 6, which is completely trash compared to what I had, but we got everything up and going. So I'm in the Camry right now, and we're about to hop onto 91 and make way down to South Carolina.
Baby, clap them cheeks.
Not even like an hour out yet. I'm stuck in Connecticut. Look at all this traffic right here, guys. Look at that. Can't even get like good timing right now. It's already almost 2:30. My ETA is going to be almost like 3 o'clock in the morning, so we got a long day. Guys, about to hit the 9-hour mark right now. I'm freaking exhausted, and I haven't even been driving for that long. I've been driving for like probably 4 hours, but I don't know, man. I had a super stressful morning. I think that has to contribute towards it, but we're hustling along. I'm currently in, if I can get a location for you guys. So I'm pretty close to Hershey, Pennsylvania right now. Alright guys, we got a 9th gen rolling up right now, that orange color. I'm on some like I think I'm on 81, yeah, 81 right now. Hershey is 2 exits away, which is crazy. I don't think I've ever been this way before, but we're making some progress. Here's the 9th gen right there. Dude, I actually really love that color. Now I miss my SI. Should have brought the SI. This Camry. Can't believe it's already 6 o'clock, guys. I'm in Carlisle, Pennsylvania right now. So we got another like 8 hours and 59 minutes, so pretty much 9 hours left. So got a Speed 3 right here, Mazda. Thing actually looks pretty baller, but yeah, I'm pretty tired, man. I'm freaking shot. It's been a long day, really long day. I wanted to get going earlier. Let me turn this crap down. Yeah, I wanted to get going earlier, but I'm shot. Look at this, straight shot. 339 miles to 77 south, so pretty much not gonna even need the GPS for a while. I can really use a coffee right now. Maybe a coffee, Red Bull, maybe a Monster, guys. I'm hoping I can find one of my favorite spots. I don't know if they have Wawas in Pennsylvania, but I know they have them in like Maryland or Virginia, if I'm correct, obviously Jersey, so let's see if I can find a Wawa. Guys, just got out here. I got myself a nice banana shake and some food, and I'm about to just chill for a bit because you boys getting tired. So I got to get some fuel soon because, let me show you guys. Put on like 200, that's since my last fill up, but we're getting close to a half a tank, so I'm going to just top her off, be on the safe side because just a straight shot pretty much to like North Carolina next. So gonna do a little highway pull here. Let's see what we could do. We're gonna race ourselves. 9:15 as you can see, and I want to keep driving, but I'm so freaking tired right now that, you know, when you're driving, you start like not dozing off, but your eyes get super like droopy and stuff. That's how I'm feeling right now. And I was just like, you know what, just gonna want to play it safe. I've been driving, I've been out, you know, I've been up since 7 o'clock this morning, so play it safe. I'm gonna get some rest for a couple hours, get right back into it, hopefully get up early enough, and then hit the road. So we're at this like rest stop, a little sketchy, but I mean, I'm just gonna chill with the doors locked. Alright, just got into South Carolina not too long ago. I'm about to be pretty much coming up to Greenville, South Carolina. Then after that, I'm gonna be going to Anderson. So I have like 47 minutes left until I reach my final destination, guys. It's really freaking nice around here, minus the rain. Damn, Phil, you live way out in the boonies, don't you, bro? This is like literally straight strips with like little businesses on each side. But yo, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of mess with South Carolina. I kind of like it out here. Chilling on this back road over here, boys. I don't really even know where I'm at. I'm pretty close though. I'm 6 minutes away from the location right now. I'm actually pretty stoked. So all right, guys, I'm about to pull in like a minute here. I'm super freaking stoked. Phil got me out here in the wilderness, man. I'm out of my element right now. All right, guys, Gerb officially made it out here. I'm in South Carolina right now, Anderson. I got the Yoda. We got Phil's collection here. The truck, his FG2, R18, and the Accord that he's been working on. Let's show you guys this thing real quick. Look at this. Bam! Dude, I was telling him, bro, like, props for wrenching on this thing, even though it has hella room. It's just, dude, there's so much work that gets involved into doing this process. It's insane, man. So all you got to do is pretty much slap the new motor on, right? And then
yeah, I gotta unbolt this tranny.
Nice, dude.
Pull it out.
Yeah.
And
then I'll be working on the SI after this, pretty much. He's got to do a what do you got to do to the SI again?
Transmission rebuild, and I'm gonna do some stuff to the motor.
Yo. See, this thing looks still super clean from like last time, New York. So once he gets the tranny all set, everything should be good with that. What you about to do, Phil? No.
Yeah, it's the motor we putting in the core, but I gotta have it resurfaced. I'm gonna take it slap apart.
Look at that, dude. This looks super clean too still.
Yeah, I hadn't seen no cracks, so
yeah.
Casting mark, I believe.
Yeah. No, it looks 10 times better than the other one, obviously, but once you get this all shined up, dude,
yeah,
you good to go.
Pressurized.
I love this setup too, by the way, that engine hoist, bro.
Yep,
so
right beside it too.
Hell yeah, dude. He's got the stand, man. Phil's about to be active on YouTube shortly here, man. We'll fill you guys in more on that soon as the time approaches.